What what'd you say? You said the doctors are saying you have arthritis. You've been having a lot of pains in your joints. Is that what you said? I got some for you. You want to try it? All right. So this is our recipe that's going to help to reduce the inflammation in your body that's causing you to have joint pain. So we have 1 English cucumber, 2 lemons, 2 green apples. We're going to use about 2 inches of ginger, about 8 pieces of celery, 2 handfuls of spinach, and we're going to use a half of a pineapple. That's it. That's our inflammation reducing juice. Ready? Let's go. So we're just going to use half of a pineapple. We're going to use 8 sticks of celery. Slice those up. 2 green apples. We have 1 English cucumber. We're going to add 2 lemons, peeled. Going to add about 2 inches of ginger. Then we have about 2 handfuls of spinach. So our prepping is all done, and now it's time to juice. So that's going to give you over 32 ounces of juice to relieve all of that joint pain. Cheers.